In this video, we'll focus on working with Zoom and Blackboard. I'll demonstrate how to add a Zoom link to your Blackboard page. Also, we'll look at how to use the Zoom link to schedule meetings. To start, go to your course's homepage. We'll add a Zoom meeting link on the left menu. Maybe it's already there. If it isn't, select the plus button to add a new menu item. You want to add a tool link and select Zoom. You can give your link a name, such as Zoom Meetings. You can also select whether you want the link available or unavailable to your students. Now, you can select the link and select Schedule a New Meeting. And let's say you want to hold the meeting every Tuesday and Thursday from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m., starting with Tuesday, January 26th. Start by scheduling the first meeting. And we don't want to do this for each meeting, so we'll select Recurring, then Weekly. Then, we'll add the days of the week as Tuesday and Thursday. And select the end day as Thursday, May 6th. Before we save the meetings, we see a few options. It's recommended to keep the default options in place. For more information about these options, please see the link below the video. When finished, select Save. At the path towards the top of the screen, you can return to your course homepage, then go to the Zoom link, and you'll see all of your meetings. When you're ready to get the meeting going, select Start. And let's say your class schedule changed. Now, this class will be Wednesday and Friday from 10 to 11 a.m. To make the adjustment, you can choose one of the meetings, scroll to the bottom, and select Edit this meeting. After you make the adjustment to one meeting, all of the meetings in the series will change as well. Finally, let's go into Student Preview mode and view the meetings as a student would. After selecting the Zoom meeting link, the students can see the meetings that you scheduled. And to join, all they have to do is select the Join button at the appropriate time.